Good morning. Last lecture we have seen the algorithm of finding the initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem by the method. And in this method, we solve the numerical example by the VAM method, that is, find the initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem. This this transportation problem find the initial basic feasible solution by VAM method. That is, first step of the VAM method is, that is, calculate the penalty of each row and column by taking the difference between the smallest cost and next highest cost available in the row or column. And if there are two smallest cost, then the penalty is 0. That is, first in this transportation cost matrix, we have first check the total supply equal to total demand. In this example, that is, total supply equal to total demand, that is, supply equal to 240 and demand equal to 240. The given problem is the balanced transportation problem. And then we find the penalty row or each column. In this, that is, solve the problem through VAM's method, and we find the penalty of row and column wise. That is, in this transportation problem, that is, first row, we have select the first row, that is, here in this row smallest cost is 4 and next smallest cost is 17, and we calculate the difference between these two costs, that is 17 minus 4 is 30, and we write the penalty. We denote this difference is penalty, and penalty is 13. Then second row, smallest cost is 7 and next smallest cost is 9, and the difference between two smallest cost is 2. And third row, smallest cost is 15 and next smallest cost is 20, and the difference between 20 minus 15, that is 5. And first column, that is, we have find the all penalty of the row, and next we find the penalties of the column. That is, first column, smallest cost is 20 and next smallest cost is 24, and difference between 24 minus 20 is 4. Second column is smallest cost is 22 and next smallest is 37. The difference between 22 and 37 is 15. And third column is smallest cost is 9 and next smallest cost is 7. That is, difference between 17 minus 9 is 8, that is, penalty is 8. And fourth column, that is, smallest cost is 4 and next smallest cost is 7. The difference between 4 minus 7 is 3. The in this, the all row or column, the highest penalty occurs in the second column. That is, in the penalty of row and the penalty of column, we have select the largest highest penalty, that is 15 in second column, and the minimum Cij in the column, that is C12, that is 22. That is, first we have find the penalties of row or column wise, and then we have select the highest penalty is 15, and we have select this column, and this column we have select the minimum cost is C12 is 22, and we have make the allocation is 1 2, that is here demand is 40 and supply is 18, that is we have make the allocation is minimum value of the supply, our demand is 40 and we have make the allocation is 1 2 is 40, and cross out this column second, that is demand is 0, 40 minus 40 is 0, and supply is remaining 120 minus 40, that is 80. That is repeat the process. We have again we have find the penalty of each row and column. That is here first column is that is we have the penalty, that is smallest in first row, the smallest cost is 4, next smallest cost is 17, that is penalty is 13, and second row smallest cost is 7 and next smallest is 9, and the penalty is 9 minus 7 is 2, and third row smallest cost is 15, next smallest cost is 15, 20 minus 15 is 13, and here that is cross out second column, that is therefore we have not considered the second column. That is we have find the difference between first column is smallest cost is 20 and next smallest is 24, 24 minus 20 is 4, here penalty is 4, then next column is 9 minus 17, that is difference between 8, and next fourth column, that is penalty smallest cost is 4 and next smallest is 7, the difference is 3. Then we have select the highest difference of the penalty, that is here highest penalty is 13 and in first row, and in highest penalty is 13 in first row, and then we have select the minimum cost in this row is 4, and we have make the allocation is in the cell 1 4, that is supply is 18 and demand is 110, and minimum of value of the supply or demand we allocate in this cell, that is minimum of the supply and demand is 18, we have allocate 18 in the cell 1 4, and here cross out the first row, that is supply is exerted, that is 18 minus 18 is 0, therefore first row is cross out and first row is eliminated, and repeat the process